Oh, just as soon as I get to the top, hi guys, we're at Lincoln Road crossing in Lincolnshire. No, just Lincoln with Joe and Adam. Joe's just got in the lift. Oh, that's got a black cord again. And it bangs. Timer. It's going down.
The late start of the Lincoln Central level crossing in Lincoln with Joe and Adam.
I caught that, so I walked up the stairs. There we go. Now the time is 09:06 on the 16th of August on a Tuesday.
09.
This is for
07.
your 0907 2 Tango 26 East Midlands train service to Newark Northgate. Jeez Louise, I've never been on this footbridge, so it's so freaking exciting. I love that bleeping noise. Sometimes it makes me laugh. Like, just to hear it for no reason, it just makes me laugh. Yes, and I've been in Lincolnshire for about maybe like 2 hours. Not 2 hours, but I mean like an hour. And we got stuck in so much flipping traffic.
You've gone from the biggest county in the UK to the second biggest county in the UK.
Ah, well, you know, I was in the biggest. It's Yorkshire. Huh.
153302.
153302. Sorry about the shaky camera, I can't really see what I'm doing. Yeah. Yeah, Joe, if you've seen, it's got a black cord again.
302 to Newark Northgate.
153302 to Newark Northgate, and yeah, right there. When these go up on Brayford, up they go.
We'll head down to Brayford quickly for the
Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Right, let's film Brayford. Up they go.
The crossing you're always on about, there it is.
Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.